Thank you, KK. You have always valued our relationship.
And you give us the benefit of our good relationship.
No captain plays alone. He plays along with his team. You are all my strength.
Sir, Mr. Siddhant wants to meet you. He's saying that it's urgent.
Okay, send him.
Mr. KK,
Come. Siddhant has joined Reddy Corporation recently. You all have got introduced to him.
They know me. Saw these papers.
How are you, Siddhant?
After what she did, you must be wondering what Hira's still doing here. Hira's here because of Prabhakar. Prabhakar suggested KK to forgive her. He said something very nice. Even God forgives one mistake.
I know that our last meeting was not so nice. But just for records, I would still like to say that I'm not your enemy. I came to your house to apologize the other day. I think I was the last one who met Mr. Prabhakar. In fact, I talked to him even one day before his death. Look, Prabhakar forgave me, and that's the reason that KK forgave me. But do you know what my biggest regret is? I couldn't thank Prabhakar.
Have you signed the papers, sir? Thank you.
Yes, sir. The obituary message was published in your newspaper. I need the address. You are not understanding, sir. I had an old relationship with him. We were not in touch for a long time. And he is no more now. So I thought of going to his house to express my condolences. And you are giving me a lecture on your client's privacy rules. Hello? Hello? He hung up on me.
What's wrong with him?
Hey Siddhant, why are you looking so upset? Did you get a tan? What's going on in your life?
Mr. Sweetie, did you ever reach Delhi from Meerut on the bike in 90 minutes? Even a person with fair complexion gets tanned under the scorching sun.
Meerut? You said you were in Delhi, right?
And what was so urgent that you came to Delhi from Meerut on a bike so quickly? Was there a beautiful girl waiting for you? And if that was the case, you could have asked her to wait for a little while.
Yes, you could have said it over the phone. Why did you lie?
But do you know what my biggest regret is? I couldn't thank Prabhakar.
Nowadays, it's hard to understand who's lying.
But I didn't lie to you, Siddhant. You lied to me and you're passing a comment now that we keep on meeting,
You
right?
sound like a broken record. You've told me the same several times since yesterday. It's too much now. Grow up.
Hira is here because of Prabhakar. Prabhakar has suggested to me to forgive her.
Prabhakar forgave me, and that's the reason that KK forgave me.
That's enough now. Don't keep staring at the photo. Otherwise, he will come out of the photo.
What are you saying, Mr. Sweetie?
I am saying that everyone loves his or her father. You are still not able to overcome your grief. What's that saying in English? Yeah, that you need to move on, sir.
You won't understand this.
I can understand. You have got stuck in your life. And you're always angry. You vent your anger out on others. You lose temper very easily. Move on, sir. Move on.
What move on? What do you know, Mr. Sweetie? Your dad is still alive, right?
By God's grace, he is hale and hearty.
Yes, you'll understand how it feels when he'll be no more. We'll talk about it then.
Thousand 40 only. What happened? Why are you smiling?
You're writing the check exactly like Dad used to. Even he used to say the amount out loud.
Perhaps I developed this habit by observing him. Do you know, I have heard that when two people live together for years, they start resembling each other. Anyway, take this. This is the check for the water bill. And this is the check for the electricity. And pay both the bills today. And if you need any other document, then ask me. I have seen what is kept where.
You are brilliant, Mom. You have learnt everything so soon.
Yes. The sooner a person learns everything, the better it is. Now, life cannot be guaranteed. It can give a shock anytime. We should be prepared.
Mom, the times have changed. Everyone pays bills through mobile phones now. I'll teach you everything.
I have learnt whatever I had to learn. I cannot use a mobile phone. Okay, fine. Teach me whenever you have time. I'll learn that too if I try.
That's like my mom. Okay, Mom, I'll make a move now. See you in the evening, okay?
Travel safe.
Okay, bye.
Deposit the check, okay?
Okay, Mom.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले